What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you, let me show you more thoroughly, I've told you that we have to continue this downtrend and we have to hit the range of about 0.786. It is a Fibonacci retracement range and it is a confluence with our previous price action right here. And I've told you that from this range we might have at least a bounce. And as you can see, it happened. It happened exactly as I predicted. And for now, from this range, we are up about 9.5%. And I have to say that I can see much more patterns for now for this asset, and it becomes more clear for me. And I will show you what I am seeing right now in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for the crypto industry. We are sitting at $1.67 trillion of total market cap. It is a small increase of 1.24% over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies have a slight bounce to the upside for about 1.5, 1.6, 4.1%. But overall, on a 7 days period, we are still deeply in red. And Bitcoin lost about 13.5%, Ethereum lost about 23%, and BNB about 20% of its value. And we are not out of the woods. I have to say that we can continue this downtrend, but I think very soon it will be finished. And let's continue with crypto.com numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $9.85 billion. It is a 6.03% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $157.66 million. It is lower than it had previously for 27.7%. And I have to say that this movement to the upside with a diminishing volume compared to its previous volume is not the best sign from the technical standpoint. This means potentially we might have this movement to the upside as a consolidation phase. And technically we might see lower prices, but I will show you it in my technical analysis. So what are the main reasons of the sell-off? And definitely it is Bitcoin price action and Bitcoin news. And on coinmarketcap.com I switched to Bitcoin tab folder and the news section, and we have several news, and I just want to give you a sneak peek on the titles. International Monetary Fund tells El Salvador to drop Bitcoin as legal tender. Popular trader predicts one more Bitcoin dip before epic rally. Here is his bottom target for BTC. And here is the exact target. It is $30,000 and a small wick downward, and then the recovery starts. And I have to say that all of the markets for now are awaiting Federal Reserve's news. And let me show you that not only traditional markets are waiting for the news from Jerome Powell about interest rates and about their policy, but the cryptocurrencies are also awaiting some news from Congress. And let me quote you this. The chatter in the crypto space continues to focus on the expectation that the White House and Congress are on track to impose new regulations and clearer rules on the cryptocurrency market. The Biden administration has said it will ask federal agencies to assess the risks and opportunities presented by cryptocurrency assets, which could be good or bad for the industry. For the long-term investors, I think the stability of greater regulation will be a positive thing, but there are often unintended consequences. And definitely during these uncertainty times, we might see huge volatility on the markets, and that's why we have to be extremely cautious. But all in all, I have to say that crypto.com exchange and its native token CRO is a very good potential contender to be in your investment portfolio, because it is not only the crypto itself, it is the entire business model that is working right now. It is a crypto exchange that has a huge marketing budget. And definitely it leads to much higher adoption among broader audience, and definitely it will give more credibility to the CRO token. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me give you on a greater scale this price chart, and as you can see, I thought we have this as our ABC correction, and I thought that it is the very end of the retracement from this bottom to this top. But I have to say that it is usually happens when we have this type of longer period of consolidation, and this first ABC correction is only the A wave inside the greater correction. And we all know that the A wave should have a shape of 3 or 5 wave structure, B wave should have a shape of 3 waves structure strictly, and C wave should have a shape of 5 wave structure. And let me show you that right here we have this entire movement as our A wave, this as our B wave, because we have A, B, C, 3 waves in it. And this price action to the downside is our C wave. And I think we have to have one more leg to the downside, and I will show you why I think so. So I have to, first of all, upgrade the scale. And we all know that the C wave should have a shape of 5 wave structure. And we have it like this. In my opinion, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and fifth right here. And definitely the fifth wave should have a shape of 5 wave structure in it. And let me show you, let me turn off unnecessary tool. From this point, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this movement definitely is the third wave, this is the retracement to the fourth one, and we have to have one more leg to the downside. And why I think that we didn't finish our retracement? Let me show you that we have this harsh sell-off with the highest volume, and definitely it is the strongest wave. According to Elliott wave theory, the strongest wave is the third one, usually the third one. And we have to have the retracement in the shape of 3 wave structure. And for now we're forming this wave. As you can see, this is our A, B and C wave right here. Let me downgrade this scale. And from this range we might have trend reversal, and if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of the third wave to the bottom of the third wave, we already hit 0.5 range. It is a $0.39 price point, and this means it is an algo target, and algo trades usually use just a simple swing low and swing high and 50% to enter their position, but their price target will be at negative 0.236 range. So here is their price target, and if it is the case, our next range of support might be at around 28.26 cents. So what should you do if you want to enter the swing trade position? In my opinion, most likely we will have one more leg to the downside, and when we will hit this range, have a trend reversal and have a consistently higher highs and higher lows in a shape of 5 wave structure, not in 3 waves as we have right here. In this case, you will be able to enter your swing trade position with the less amount of risks. But if you want to invest in this asset, if you want to invest in CRO coin, and definitely this coin has a good support from the crypto.com exchange. Definitely it is not the coin itself, it is the entire business model, it is entire business that is working and that is expanding. This means you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. And in my opinion, you have to know that investing in crypto coins is extremely risky. But all in all, the rewards in this industry are also extremely profitable. And that's why, if you know what are the risks and if you know what are the rewards, you can do your own due diligence and enter the position with these assets. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!